Why scheduling and what is the scheduling process in Unix? Let's see. Let us say we are performing some work or some tasks or a set of tasks or a task repetitively, daily once or twice or every day at some point of time, or weekly once or weekly twice or monthly or quarterly, yearly. We are doing the same kind of work. It's a manual work, let us say. It's unnecessary uh, time waste, and there are more chances for human work error prone. Instead of that, if we find a way to automate that and schedule that, the task will be done automatically without our intervention. That is where scheduling comes. And in Unix, we go with crontab for scheduling. Crontab is scheduling utility in Unix. Using crontab-l command, we can list out what are all the schedulings in Unix. And we can schedule the new scripts. We can remove the new scripts. We can edit the existing scheduling. And we can remove the entire scheduling in crontab. Crontab-l is used for listing the crontab scheduling, present scheduling. Crontab-e is used to edit the existing scheduling or add edit. Crontab-r is used to remove the crontab scheduling. So while using crontab-r, we should be very careful. It is not at all suggested to use crontab-r even with client's approval. We need to convey the client saying it's better we edit the crontab for the particular process instead of removing and restoring process of crontab. So crontab-r is very sensitive. We need to take care, and 99 to 100% we shouldn't go with crontab-r process. We have crontab scheduling. We need to automate a task, let us say. We need to list out all the files with some missing data, and we need to request for reprocessing the files for input files. We have to write the script for that. We have to identify the files, and we have to send the email that these are all the missing files with missing information. We need new files with the corresponding data in the missing information columns. Some field separated files we are getting. We have to write the script for that, and we have to schedule which time, which day, which week of the day, which day of the week, which day of the month, yearly once or twice. All these things we have to mention, and after that we have to give the execution of the script with sh or ksh followed by the corresponding script with absolute path of the script. That is how we need to schedule. We need to mention initially before the script what is the time it has to execute on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis or yearly ones. We will be having 5 asterisk symbols. Each will represent the corresponding timing, daily or every hour or every minute, monthly, which day. All those parameters we have to mention all those things before we give execution script. And the script output also we can redirect using redirection symbol in the crontab scheduling itself, so that we can see the logs of the corresponding script process. So this is crontab scheduling in Unix. And the same go with the autosys scheduling. It has GUI representation, autosys scheduling. We go with JIL's execution. We mention the script path and all the success and all the logging process, everything in autosys. We have autosys command to execute from Unix itself. We mention the JIL. We get the success or failure of the script, JIL script over there. the symbols like a cross with red mark and a tick with a green mark and yellow with hyphen mark. All these are autosys symbols for a successful of job and aborted job or failure job or yet to start. This kind of information we get using that notation, and we can add and remove directly from crontab itself without executing in from Unix backend. We can edit the crontab, we can edit all the job settings, we can restart, we can stop particular job, all these things. Same with control M. Control M has its own environment for the scheduling the jobs, the logins and all that. Green color of the job indicates it is success. In control M, same, almost different kinds of notation, different kinds of GUI representation is control M with some advanced features compared to autosys and the Unix cron tab. So we have so many scheduling tools like this. So cron tab's main purpose is for scheduling. In releases, in monthly or weekly releases, let us say we have some servers. Each server has a cron scheduling with some 100 or 150 or 200 scheduling jobs in that. For a change weekly or monthly once, we are going with some changes, or 2 weeks once or 3 weeks once or weekly once or 10 days once, based on need and necessity and priority urgency of the releases of the corresponding changes. In a cron tab, in a server, let us say we have 3 changes for the 3 schedulings. 3 scheduling changes we have, but that server, that cron listing has 150 scheduling jobs. We shouldn't remove the cron tab and we shouldn't back up and restore the cron tab after release. No, it's not the right process. Why? Because for 3 changes we are removing the entire cron listing. Instead, we have to edit the cron tab and we have to comment the corresponding scheduling jobs. We have to complete the release process. Once we get sign off on that, we have to enable the corresponding jobs in cron listing. It is efficient process.